अगर मुझे किसी को इंग्लिश सिखानी हो तो मैं सबसे पहले क्या सिखाऊंगी? इफ़ आई हैव टू टीच इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टू समवन, व्हाट विल आई टीच फर्स्टली? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. And let me tell you one thing, this video is useful for beginners, only and only for beginners. So if you are a beginner, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share with you people a lot of things, very useful things. If you know these all things, you will start speaking this language. Okay, so if I have to teach English language, my first work would be to teach words. Yes, you heard me right. My friends, a lot of people, they don't understand this language. Why? Because they have very less vocabulary. They know very less vocabulary. And that is why when it comes to speaking this language fluently, they are unable to do it. And there is one interesting thing. You don't have to learn a lot of words. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to learn some words, daily uses words. Okay, I mean, we use some sentences, and in that one we use some words, action words, or we take the name of something, so we need to know them, right? So first thing we should do as a beginner, हमें पहला काम क्या करना चाहिए as a beginner? सबसे पहले हमें शब्दों को याद करना चाहिए या शब्दों को पढ़ना चाहिए. The more words we know, the better it would be, or the easier it would be to speak this language fluently. Okay, so सबसे पहला काम आपको करना है, आपको वर्ड्स सीखना है. ओके, और बहुत सारा नहीं, आप थोड़े से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, कुछ वर्ड्स सीखिए. ओके, उसके बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए? आफ्टरवर्ड व्हाट वी शुड डू? वी शुड लर्न ग्रामर. यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट. माय फ्रेंड, if we don't know grammar, we cannot understand this language. Many people, they don't understand this language because of the words, because of the grammar. Really, okay? So if you don't know grammar, you won't be able to differentiate whether that person is talking about past or present or future. For that reason, you should learn grammar. Simple grammar. Learn tenses. They are going to help you a lot. Okay? So if you are a beginner, अगर आप एक beginner हैं और आपको कुछ नहीं आता है, तो सबसे पहले आप words को पढ़िए. उसके बाद अगर आपके पास कुछ words हैं, तो आप grammar पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. You know, it is going to help you a lot, really. So I did the same. Okay, I started learning grammar, I started learning words, and later on I started understanding also. If I tell you to listen English language, what if you don't understand? अगर मैं कहूँ कि इंग्लिश सुनिए, इंग्लिश बोलिए, बट दोनों चीज़ें डिफ़िकल्ट हैं, है कि नहीं? क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत लोग समझ ही नहीं पाते हैं इस लैंग्वेज को, बहुत लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते. जब समझेंगे नहीं तो बोलेंगे क्या, राइट? When they are unable to understand, how can they speak this language? It will never ever be possible. So before we start speaking this language, we need to understand this language and how we can build our understanding. If we know a lot of words and if we know grammar, so we need to know a lot of words and grammar. So first thing you should do, start learning words, and the next thing should be learning grammar. And in grammar, not a lot of things. I told you learn tenses, past tense, future and present, and whatever tenses are there, learn them. Okay, afterward learn some sentences, like it's okay to learn some words and grammar. There are some sentences you can learn, just like I don't like this thing, could you give me your pen, may I come in, like that. You know, these kind of words are there, you should learn them. Afterward, you should start speaking about your daily routine. Yes, you heard me right. Learn how to write daily routine, learn how to speak daily routine. Okay? And then on the other hand, start listening also. अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं तो आप इंग्लिश को सुनना शुरू कर दीजिए. हमने बोला कि बहुत सारे नहीं. आई एम सेइंग at least you should understand if someone is talking about daily routine. That much what if you know, it's also okay as a beginner. Okay, you should not know everything. For learning English language, you no need to be perfect in any areas. I mean, you no need to be perfect in learning words, or your grammar should be not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, just start learning words, start learning grammar, and then start listening this language. And I told you that learn some sentences, right? And later on, start speaking. If you can speak about daily routine, start speaking in front of your friends, or I mean, you can start speaking with wall, you can start speaking with yourself, you can start speaking with your mobile camera, right? So these all things, if you do as a beginner, you can learn this language. Yes, my friend, because I did it and then I found, okay, this is how we can learn English language. मैंने कभी किसी को पढ़ाया नहीं है पर्सनली. जो चीज़ मैं शेयर करती हूँ सब कुछ अपने चैनल पे शेयर करती हूँ, और कभी भी मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप कंप्लीट वीडियो नहीं बनाया है कि नहीं. तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे कुछ बताना चाहिए इस टाइप का. इट कैन हेल्प पीपल. एक्चुअली I haven't taught anyone step by step because my videos are not just like a teacher. I just share with people that what I did and how I learned English language, or how I have been learning English language. I never taught grammar or words, right? So these are very important things, and whatever I share, they are also very important, right? Because it can help you to build your confidence. It can motivate you to read books. It can motivate you to live your life happy way. Many things I share. Genuinely speaking, I haven't done this. If I have done ever, so I think it would be in English only, right? But today I decided to share with you people in English and in Hindi too, because many beginners, they don't understand English. बहुत बिगनर को इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है, and that is why they are struggling. They are struggling to understand this language. अगर कोई भी इस लैंग्वेज को समझ सकता है तो चांस ये है कि वो बोल भी सकता है, अगर थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करे तो, राइट? बट अगर कोई समझ ही नहीं सकता है तो बोलने की तो बात ही दूर है, राइट? सो दैट इज़ वाई people should try to understand this language. And how can they understand? If they know words, if they know grammar, or if they listen, right? But listening comes also after learning some words, after learning grammar. क्योंकि जब हम सुनते हैं तो लोग पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर के टेंसेस को और जो होती हैं वर्ब को यूज़ करते हैं, तो फिर हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, पास्ट के बारे में या प्रेजेंट के या फ्यूचर के बारे में, राइट? हम चीज़ों को समझ पाएंगे अगर हम वर्ड्स जानते हैं, अगर हम ग्रामर जानते हैं. अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. ओके, देयर इज़ अल्टरनेटिव ऑल्सो. इफ़ यू हैव इन्वायरमेंट, you don't need these all things, I think. But if you don't have environment, you have to go through this way. You have to learn these all things. Okay, so I did these all things and they helped me a lot, and that's why I can speak this language not very fluently. Still I can manage to speak with anyone, right? But coming to speaking very fluently, I think I need to work on my English a lot. I hope my today's video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.